My name is Mike Henry and I'm a director here at evolv leading our diversified portfolio. Today I want to show you a quick example of how organizations can better understand and operationalize their customer lifecycle. This demo was built using Snowflake Cortex Code, which allowed us to rapidly generate both the data models and application layer directly on top of Snowflake. Across industries, companies tend to be very good at acquiring customers, but far fewer have a clear understanding of what happens after that first transaction. Customer data ends up fragmented across marketing platforms, product systems, and transactional systems, which make it difficult to understand where the customers are in their journey or when to engage them. The goal of this platform is simple: bring that lifecycle data together so teams can identify risk earlier, uncover growth opportunities, and drive more value from the customers they already have. So starting here on the main dashboard, this gives leadership a quick health check on the customer lifecycle. At the top, we have 4 key indicators. First, total customers. This shows the overall population across lifecycle stages. Next is lifetime revenue. This highlights the revenue generated after initial transaction, often the biggest opportunity for long-term growth. We also can track email consent rate, which tells us the portion of the customer base we can actually engage through marketing. And finally, at-risk customers. This flags customers that may need proactive outreach before they churn. For executives, these 4 numbers quickly answer an important question: are we maximizing the value of the customers that we already have? Next, we'll look at lifecycle analysis. The first chart shows how customers are distributed across lifecycle stages: new, active, at risk, and churned. This helps teams quickly see where the customer base is concentrated and where potential risk exists. Next to that, we have the engagement score by stage. This shows how engagement evolves as customers move through the lifecycle. Declining engagement is often an early signal that a customer may need attention. And below that, the lifecycle metrics table ties everything together by showing customer counts, engagement levels, and revenue contribution for each stage, helping teams understand which segments are driving the most value. Next, we move into revenue breakdown. This connects lifecycle insights to actual revenue. On the left, we see revenue by product, highlighting which offerings are driving the most value across the customer base. On the right, we have revenue by geography. This will show us where revenue is concentrated across different states or regions. This helps leadership quickly identify growth opportunities and understand where demand is the strongest. The campaign performance view focuses on marketing effectiveness. Here, we're analyzing campaigns where customers have provided consent to receive communications. This table shows key metrics like sends, open rates, conversion rates, and the revenue each campaign generates. It allows marketing teams to quickly identify which campaigns are working and which ones may need optimization. The last section is privacy governance. This ensures Lifecycle Analytics stays compliant with modern privacy requirements. Here we track consent across 3 areas: email marketing, partner offers, and behavioral analytics. By embedding consent tracking directly into the Lifecycle platform, organizations can confidently activate customer insights while staying aligned with privacy regulations. So stepping back, the idea behind this platform is to move beyond static reporting. By unifying lifecycle data in Snowflake, organizations can understand where every customer sits in their journey, identify risk earlier, unlock cross-sell and repeat purchase opportunities, and ensure all engagement happens within privacy and governance controls. That's what ultimately turns customer data into something that actively drives growth.